the square root of 5 plus inside of that the square root of 1 plus inside of that the square root of 6 plus inside of that the square root of 6 and 6 and 6 and so on, times the square root of 9 over square root of over 28. So we want to determine the value of this whole thing. So let's just start with this. Square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6, this nested square root. Now, the idea behind this is that this whole thing is equal to this square root inside here. So what we say is we say that x is equal to 6 plus x. Whatever this thing is, we're calling it x here and here. So to solve it, we get x squared equals 6 plus x. And we bring this over. X squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. So we have x minus 3 and x minus plus 2. So we get x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. Now since we're not dealing with imaginaries, that negative we're not using. So that means we have square root of 5 plus the square root of 1 plus 3. So that's all this right here. So that's 5 plus square root of 4. So that's 5 plus 2. So that's square root of 7. So let's bring that over here. So we have square root of 7 times the square root of 9 over 28. Now since they're both under the square root, we can bring it under one big square root. 7 times 9 over 28. So I can take a 7 out of here and here, and we're left with 4. So we're left with square root of 9 over 4. So we're left with square root of 9 over square root of 4. So we're left with 3 over 2.